it's your girl, Swag Princess Leylah, and say your name.
What my name?
My bestie right here, Savannah. And we here with a little banger. We at Urban Era, whatever.
Talking about some
There's
bangers.
a fit. We got the socks on under here, but we gotta put our shoes in lockers right here. You know, the usual. And then we can play or whatever. And this girl wanna play so quick. She mad because I'm over here doing TikToks and taking pictures. Like, girl, if you don't shut yeah. Y'all look at the play. Hey y'all. Listen, I know this video gonna be very little because I'm not trying to, like, it's hard to record all at one time and, like, you know, actually do stuff because we came late because we was rushing, excuse me. And we was rushing, so now we finna go. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to record while I'm on here, okay? Go, girl. Ooh, what if I drop my phone in here, y'all, and lose it?
That's what I
And all these balls. Start going fishing. Y'all, we had to rush and stuff. Y'all like we twinning. The little shirt, the little wrist, the little nails, the little hair, the shoes. We have to go put them in the locker. I'm coming. Shut up. Here I got a skirt. About fall, y'all. About fall. Girl, you moving it. Look at our socks going.
Alright, y'all.
Come on.
This bitch got a whole skirt. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make it. Can I see that? Do you have a wristband?
I'm gonna walk.
Can't get in if you don't have a
I'm gonna
wristband.
walk the rest of
I know, right? Y'all look at these things. I'm not doing this part. Finna straight skip. Finna straight skip. Finna straight skip. Skip. How did you walk across there? Walk across there? Y'all, I'm swimming. I'm swimming, guys. Yo, we made all the balls go out. She really almost fell. It's in the line. It's in the line. It's in the line.
Coming up on this part.
You gotta climb up here. Go. Climb across there.
No, it's not. What's it called? Zipline over there.
What are we in?
Zipline in right
You think got the little chair things that be in the mall? They got the rock climbing right there. That's rock climbing. That's all rock climbing. That's just some little kid stuff. That's the little bumper boats or whatever. Up here, that's zip lining. Where do we start? Action lighting. Alright, thank you.
So I was right there.
Get your kids. Get your kids. Y'all got little kids running around here. I'm playing. That's what they supposed to do. But like, no running. No running. Cause do you have a wristband? No, I'm not gonna let you get in for the free. I don't even know you. I don't even know you. Y'all look at the Karen. Y'all, she keeps saying something. I'm a pusher. I'm a oops. She keeps saying something like, shut up, Karen. Shut up, Karen. Y'all, we finna do the zip line or whatever. Y'all, we finna do the zip line or whatever. And Savannah, she getting She getting ready. Say hey. Oh shit. Y'all, we finna go zip lining. Finna go zip lining or whatever. Check out the zip lining kit. Look, y'all, I'm finna go zip lining. I'm gonna record. I hope I don't drop my phone though. If I drop my phone, that's it. I'm dead for sure. I'm dead for sure if I drop this, y'all. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, ready? Set. And wait. Go! Y'all! Y'all, I just came back. Y'all, that was just fun. But now I'm gonna take these off because this is not the style right here. This is not cute. Alright, y'all, now we're gonna jump over here. Okay. Knock him fake. Get it, knock him fake. I'll come up here, jump in a skirt. I'm jumping in a skirt. This time you know I'm getting through, not fake. No matter how solo I be, it's always like this.
Ugly.
No, that wasn't.
Who ugly? Yeah. Your mama. Yeah. What? What'd you say? I'm telling your mama.
What you got to say? You want to fight? Come on. Come on. Come here. Yeah. That's why you run. Uh-huh. That's why you ran. See, we on this side now. We're not over there no more. So come on this side, it's all quiet now. Now you want to laugh and be friends? Now you want to laugh and be friends? We're not even friends. Damn. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah. See, why it keeps stopping? It's trying to reverse. It's trying to play us or whatever. It's trying to play us.
Are you done?
Mine as well. Mine as well record this for y'all. Y'all, watch you finna try to play me. Watch this. Boom. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to end the video when we was at Urban Air, but this is a picture I took in the car when we was leaving Urban Air, and we had stopped and grabbed Steak and Shake before we went back to the house. But yes, Urban Air was really fun. It's very recommended. And before we end this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell down below.